Now that you've seen an overview of the entire transfer process, let's look more closely at the preliminary tasks the Gaining Registrar completes after a customer requests a transfer. In general, to process the transfer, the Gaining Registrar must identify the registered name holder through request and verification of the domain's auth.info code and confirm authorization for the transfer through use of the form of authorization. These tasks can be performed concurrently or serially, as long as both are completed before initiating the transfer at the registry. As a preliminary matter, a domain name must be unlocked before it can be transferred. The transfer policy requires all registrars to provide their customers with readily accessible and reasonable means to unlock their domain names, or the registrar must unlock a name within 5 calendar days of receiving a request to unlock. Registrars may not employ any mechanism for complying with a registered name holder's request to unlock a domain name that is more restrictive than the mechanisms used for changing any aspect of the registered name holder's contact or name server information. In other words, registrars cannot make it any harder for a registered name holder to unlock a name than it is for the registered name holder to change its contact data or update name servers.